Hi, I'm Susan, and can you believe it's week 51 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge? Our prompts for today is origami of any type of folded paper And I've done this dress, and I learned to do this by G. Kerr. I will link the video for this down below. She does such an excellent job of explaining how to make this, and I think it's just as cute as it can be. And anything that starts with a G. I've got a garland. I'm going with a Christmas theme. An herb or other fragrant plant, and I'm going to use this pine. Pine really smells good. An illustration. I've got this picture. Text in a language that is not your native language or in English. And my background papers are in German. I got these printables from Louisa Hansel. And the bonus is washi tape. And I've got assorted Christmas washi tapes. So be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 CWP51 to see what everyone else has made. And I hope you're having a great and wonderful day. And if I don't see you before Christmas, remember that Jesus loves you, and so do I. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here it is. I've got my origami or any type of folded paper. I've got this little dress. Anything that starts with a G, I've got my garland. An herb or other fragrant plant, I've got this pine tree. An illustration, I've got that here. Text in a native language that's not your own native language or in English, and I've got the background paper. And the bonus was washi tape, and I've got washi tape. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 CWP51 to see what everyone else has made. Merry Christmas, everybody, and until next time, bye y'all.